sketch the graph of a function that is increasing on the interval from minus infinity to negative 3 and 2 to infinity, and is decreasing on the interval negative 3 to 2. Well, there's actually many functions that satisfy this, and we're just supposed to sketch a good representative sample of one such function. So let's first mark these intervals. So from minus infinity to negative 3, we also have 2 to infinity, and we have the interval from negative 3 to 2. And if we're looking for a function that is increasing on negative infinity to negative 3, we need to remember that a function is increasing if x1 is less than x2, implies that the function's value at x1 is less than the function's value at x2. Think about the fact that if you have an x-coordinate that's to the left of another, then the function's value there should be less than the other. That will give us an increasing function. Of course, it's decreasing if the reverse of this inequality is true. So let's sketch a function that will be increasing from left to right. There are actually a great many options as long as we keep going up until we get to negative 3. We'll have satisfied the increasing part from minus infinity to minus 3. It needs to decrease until we get to positive 2. So I'll connect to this and start going downward. And now I'm at 2, and we see that from 2 to infinity this function increases again, and so I'll just sketch it going up like this. I'll use arrows to indicate that that pattern continues as we move. So there's an example of one such function. Of course, there are a great many others that would satisfy the conditions that were spelled out in the problem.